Well, that's the fourth Hampton 52-inch Hampton Bay Land. I know Huntington ceiling fan, which is installed in the guest bedroom. I just forgot it. I just accidentally pulled landmark out. This is not a landmark. This is actually Huntington. This fan was installed in this guest bedroom. Yep, and there's a Hampton Bay logo. That's an older Huntington. Some Huntingtons are from the 90s. Yeah, and I'm going to show you all three speeds of this fan. First, the light. Fan low. Medium.
Get it?
Huh?
Come in here.
Okay, give me one. Okay, let me done filming this fan. Sorry for the interruption, it was my dad. Oh, I was a bit, I think. Okay, hi. It wobbles on high. All 4 Huntingtons are wobbled. Or 5. Yeah, there's actually 5 Huntingtons because there's one on the ground. Yeah, this fan's actually wobbly. Excuse me. Okay, light. And there's the other fan in the ground. Go get move this.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Come in here, mate.
Okay, I need a rubber.
Yeah, stay out of that room, okay?
Yep.
That's the older stuff.
Okay, I wasn't messing with it. Okay, that's the other fan. That's not a Hampton Bay Huntington. That's a different brand. That's the correct made, I think. Or yeah, I don't know. That's actually a Hampton Bay Brookhurst. So I think that's all the video. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.